Ready? 1, 2.
Why the paper bag? I'm a local car dealer mechanic, and if they saw me here, I'd get the sack. And I can guarantee that.
3.
Altitude, they give me
Get out! Come on.
even I can afford.
Gotta get out. Come on. Come stay in. Come stay in here. Come on. Come on. Diesel. Diesel. Come on. Come. Come on. Diesel, come on. No. Diesel, get out. Get out. Get out. Don't sit down. Don't sit down, you must. Get out. Get out. Come on. Get out. Come on. Can you please get out? That's it. There you go. Come back here. Diesel. Come here. Come on, you gotta get out, you know that. Come on. Come here. Hey. Sit. Pull. Pull. Good boy. But you need to get